Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to add friends on Duolingo. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First up, we'll open up Duolingo application. Make sure you have already downloaded it. Now tap on three dot on bottom right corner. Now select profile. So here you can see add friends, tap on it. Now you can simply add your friends using these three options. You can choose from contacts, search by name and share your profile. So firstly, tap on choose from contacts, tap on it, tap on allow. Now it will provide you contacts. So here you can add friends. Simply tap on add icon on right corner, tap on it. So in this way you can add friends through your contact list. So if you want to add or follow this all contacts, you can simply tap and follow all. Once you tap on it, it will follow everyone that is listed on your contact. Now go back and tap on source by name. So here on source box you can source for the particular person and then tap on source. So here you go. Now tap on add icon and you can add simply by sourcing through name. Now go back and tap and share your profile. Now here you can see your QR code. If you share your QR code or save this QR code image and then send to your friend, they can simply scan it and add you as a friend. Or you can also send your profile link through WhatsApp, Instagram, Messenger and Facebook. So in this way you can add friends on Duolingo. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.